Doing today?
We're taking the white car apart.
Yep, we're going to take this car apart, and then it'll be the beginning of the V8 swap. So we'll do the V8 rear-wheel drive manual transmission Ford Focus. So that's the plan. All right, let's go. Okay, now come do the next one.
Excited. Okay. I broke it in half then.
A lot of the body panels off and getting ready here to get the engine and transmission out of the Focus, and then pulled the doors off today, and then we'll start gutting the interior. Been doing a lot of measurements and making all this work, so definitely stay tuned. This will be really interesting. We are getting closer to getting the engine out. Got all the bolts disconnected, exhaust off, steering off, subframe, so we'll just roll the whole thing out here. Alright guys, the engine is out. Just pulled it out as a big unit. Didn't even have to take the tires off. So everything is getting closer. Alrighty, quick update. We got the engine, subframe, and steering and everything out of the Focus. So got that all cleaned up, and then I put the engine over here for now. Got that on a pallet, and then I took off the struts and the brakes, and then also the little front subframe piece. I got that in the yard for now, but getting ready to strip the firewall down, and then we'll come in here and then start taking the interior apart, and then get this thing pretty much to an empty shell, and then we can start rebuilding it with the Corvette pieces. Yeah, stay tuned.